If you own a drone, you probably know that you're not supposed to go over 400 feet. The FAA tells you this, and your drone probably says this also. Well, I found a way to legally go over 400 feet. Yes, legally, so you won't get in trouble. There's this one rule that I stick to that always makes it so it's easy to remember. And that's called the 400 by 400 rule. You can go 400 feet above a building and 400 feet away from it. Now, this means that you don't have to be above the building, but you can just be near it and go 800 feet. This helps you so you can get over objects, or you can get just a new height to the building. I use this so that I can either map out, go around buildings, or just get different shots from a higher angle. So, some clarification real quick. This is mainly made for Part 107 pilots. Now, if you're a recreational flyer, then it's kind of a big gray zone. So just don't do anything dumb with your drone and just use good judgment and you should be pretty fine. Now, I'm not saying to go and do this with every building because you can get in trouble in some spots, but for the most part, you should be good to go and fly and go over 400 feet.
Now, once you're outside of that 400-foot radius, then you have to stay under 400 feet.
Just make sure you're in the right airspace, you're not gonna hit an airplane, and you're not going to destroy anything, and you should be good. So I think this is also a test on the Part 107 FAA test. Now, I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's what it was when I last did it. So if you're studying for that, just keep that in mind. The 400 by 400. Well, I hope this helps. And now it's a little fun loophole that you can use to go over 400 feet when you're near buildings like this. Well, I'm Dane Shaw, keep flying.